just work on this program. The same thing you'll do it for face later on. Okay, so I'll just download this two file. Now we have to detect smile. Okay, so for the smile I have shared with another image with you. So what I will do first, here only see in the smile what we will do. First of all we have to detect the face. Okay, and then we have to detect the smile. Fine. So here I will first of all change the path as smiles.jpg. My file name is smiles.jpg. So I'll give the path here as a smiles.jpg. Here face XML we have to keep because we have to first of all detect the face, and inside that face I have to detect the smile. Fine, because that will be more precise. So what I will do here, I will just take smile.xml and I will give the path of that smile. You can see the face has been detected in this image perfectly, right? Tell me all of you. Now in this face I have to detect the smile. Fine. Now what changes we have to do? Find the ellipse coordinate using this smile cascade file, this one. So we will apply this one to which file? To our face, to this face basically. Fine. So first of all I will declare my smile XML. So I'll just paste the same code. I will write here smile underscore cascade, and here I will give smile underscore XML. That is ROI. ROI stands for reason of interest. Reason of interest. Reason of interest, that means like suppose this is a boy or something, you can say. Take an example like this. Suppose this is a image. Okay, what I want, this is the coordinate basically. Suppose this is here 200 and here it's suppose 500, and here just take it as like 300. Fine. Similarly here suppose it's 300, here it's 400, and here it's 500. Suppose, just suppose. Okay, do ROI means to cut out the interest part. I want this part only. So I'll simply pass the coordinate of this part and take it out. That is called ROI basically. So in this program that we are going to do, what will be the part of our writing the code as ROI underscore image? And here I have to pass the coordinate of my face. So what will be the coordinate of my face? So I will pass the full image first, then I will pass the coordinate. So in the coordinate, first of all you have to pass the range of your y-axis. Face is still y plus h only, na? So y and y plus h. Similarly we will do it for x colon x plus w. That means what we have done, we have just separated the face from that image and stored that in this variable. Nothing. We have separated that face part and stored that face in this image, in this variable. That means this variable will be containing only the face. That's it. Got it, all of you? So we will apply now the smile algorithm pattern to this image. So what I will do here, this code I will apply here in the place of smiles. I will write here smiles is equal to smile underscore cascade. Okay, and here you will type ROI underscore image. Now let's take it as 1.8. According to my experience, I'm just taking this value. This will give me the good result. So 1.8 comma 15. Okay. Now similarly we have to use the same loop for the smile also. So I will take here SX, SY, SW, SH. In 15 is the number of neighbors, as if we have taken here 5 now. So in the 15 we will get good output. That's why I'm taking 15. Okay, just try. We'll try by 15. Now similarly we will draw the rectangle. So rectangle code is where. So here I will pass ROI image. Here I will pass EX, EY, EX, EW, EX, EH, and the rest thing I will give this width as 1. That's it. That's it. I think space is too much. Let me see. Yeah, now it's okay. So that's it we have to do. Now if I execute this, FX. Yeah, it's executed now. Now if I just display you the window, so the width is very much less. I will take it as 2. Here now I'll save the window with you. Now you can see the first girl is not smiling, so it hasn't detected. The second girl is smiling, so it has detected that. Third one, he's not smiling, so it has not detected. This girl is smiling, but this one, the fifth one is smiling, but his face is turned basically. That's why it is unable to detect that. Fine. So here we got the output. You can see